In this video, I will show you how to draw cube shape. In this video, I will show you how to draw cube shape in Microsoft Word. So to draw this cube shape, insert, then shape, and select from this list this cube shape and draw here. So here you can give your own style. There are some more options you can apply here. You can change color, shape outline, adjust the size. Once you click on this yellow dot, so you can give different style. And once you click on shape format, so this is the property for this shape. You can change more style and color. You can add effect. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.